Hello, good morning parents. I am Shukla ma'am here. After a long time we are meeting. Hope you all are fine and safe. Actually today I want to tell you something, and that is you have received two videos before holidays. One is from Devapriya ma'am, was explaining the children how to take precaution from coronavirus, and another one is about some exercises sent by Suchandra ma'am. These exercises are related to our body, especially our gland. Gland regulates all the mechanism in our body and develop immunity system. So parents, please help your child to do all these exercises every day. Now, I want to tell you about some fruits. As we all know, fruits are very essential for us. It makes us healthy and strong. So please parents, give your child one fruit every day in the morning and not at night. So you can give them juice also from some fruits are there like orange, apple, musambi, lemon especially. Every day you can give lemon juice to your child. And now I want to tell you that to get vitamin D natural, you can take your child sometimes to the rooftop for sunlight. And sometimes you can give lukewarm water for gargle, or hot water with honey, or hot milk. Parents, if we follow all this properly, I think we can fight against coronavirus. Lastly, I want to say that I have sent one worksheet on fruits. You please help your child to know all those verbally. Thank you parents. Stay safe and healthy. Now, I want to talk to my children. Good morning children. Hope you all are fine. I am Shukla ma'am here. Are you happy? So today in oral class we will discuss about fruits. See here, I have drawn some fruits for you. Let's say the name: mango, orange, banana, apple, grapes, watermelon. So, I am telling you about mango. Mango is a summer fruit. It is king of the fruit. See the color of this mango? This is yellow. But we get mango in two colors, yellow and green. And we can make juice also. This is orange. Orange is winter fruit. It is round in shape. What is the color of orange? Orange is orange. Orange is orange in color. We can make juice from orange. And what is this? Banana. Banana is a healthy fruit. It makes us healthy. We can have it. And this is apple. Apple is also healthy fruit. It has lots of calcium. Orange has also calcium. We can make juice and have it. And you know, if you take apple in a day, you don't have to fall sick. You never fall sick. And these are grapes. Grapes are found in two colors, purple and green. They are also sweet fruit. And this is watermelon. What is the outside color of watermelon? Green. Inside color? Red. And it is a summer fruit. When you feel hot. If you eat watermelon, you feel cool. You can make juice from watermelon also. So all these are juicy and fleshy fruits. You must eat one fruit a day. Yes, children, but in the morning. There are some more fruits, and those are musambi, lemon, pineapple. You please take help from your parents to know all the names of those fruits. Okay? Do you like the class, children? Thank you. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.